Accounting equation and Excel. Add new accounts and the related opening balances. Get ready and some coffee because we're learning the accounting foundation, the accounting equation with Excel. Here we are in Excel. If you don't have access to this workbook, that's okay because we basically built this from a blank worksheet but started in a prior presentation. So if you want to build this entire worksheet from a blank sheet, you may want to begin back there, or you can construct your own worksheet from this point going forward, or possibly just follow along with good old paper and pencil. If you do have access to this workbook though, 3 tabs down below. Example, practice, blank. Example, in essence, the answer key, the practice tab, having pre-formatted cells so you can practice the practice problem with less Excel formatting. The blank tab, the one we will be working on, is where we started with a blank worksheet but are basically continuing the work within a template, adding to the template as needed as we work through the practice problem. Let's go to the example tab to get an idea of where we will be going, what we will be doing. We're going to be continuing on, imagining we're starting our new accounting system with the use of the accounting equation in our Excel worksheet, imagining that we had some beginning balances, these being those beginning balances from the prior accounting system, which is a common scenario when people start a new company file, whether that be using QuickBooks or Xero or any kind of accounting software. They often have started at least a little bit some of their business outside of the current accounting system and are trying to basically upgrade it to a more systemized accounting system. Many times, many businesses have a complete mess of an accounting system in the past and are trying to trim it up given the fact that their business is growing and they need to get this in hand. So we're going to be